A man walks his dog through the Swiss Alps. When they get home, tiny burrs cover the dog's fur. Most people would just pull them off, but this man grabbed a microscope instead. His name was George de Mestral, an electrical engineer from Switzerland. Under the lens, he saw hundreds of tiny hooks on each burr, gripping the fur like fingers. Nature had already solved the fastener problem. He just had to copy it. It took him 8 years. Textile factories laughed at him. Nylon was the only fabric that held the shape of tiny hooks, and even then, machines kept failing. But by 1955, he patented the design. He called it Velcro, from the French words velours and crochet. NASA adopted it for spacesuits. Surgeons use it in heart operations. Today, it's a $4 billion industry, all because one engineer refused to just brush off his dog.